today we're going to be learning some basic signs, words, phrases in sign language. In this clip, we're going to learn the words please, easy, help, lazy, and idea. So let's first start off with please. Please. You want to take your hand, have it flat, and go in a circular motion around your chest. Please. So let's add in thank you. Thank you. Like you're almost kissing someone goodbye. Thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Well, that was easy. Easy. I'm going to take your two hands and you gently tap them. Keep your hands fairly loose and slightly bent. Easy. Easy. Like you didn't even get your hands dirty. Easy. 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 This is again where facial expression and body language are very important. Easy. Help. Take your hand flat, make a little fist like this, and push up, like you're almost helping someone up. Help. 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 Lazy. Again, knowing your alphabet is very important. Form the letter L and put it over here. Lazy. 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 Now for idea, again, knowing the alphabet, very important. Take the letter I, like this, I for idea, and put it to your temple and move forward, like you've had a great idea. 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 Idea.